Got good trading results trading with IQ option using Metatrader 5. Introducing you to the XProfit Indicator, which will guide you among the rest of your trading needs with this indicator. To install the indicator, let's go to the metatrader5.com. Then download Metatrader 5 for Windows. If you have other operating system, you can still download it either for Mac OS or Linux. Then let's open our downloaded Metatrader 5 setup file. Let's wait for the installation to finish. Then copy our XProfit signal indicator. Let's close current charts. Then let's open data folder, MQL5, then indicators. Let's paste our XProfit indicator here. Then let's go to Navigator and right-click, refresh. We can now see the XProfit indicator at the selection. Then let's open a demo account. Then provide full details in their field. Let's right-click the Market Watch and show all pairs so that we can trade with our desired currency pair. It's either stocks or cryptocurrencies. Let's attach our trading chart to our screen by clicking File, New Chart, and Desired Pair to be traded. Let's change the time frame into 1 minute. And simply attach the XProfit indicator for each chart. We can now trade and wait for the signal alert to pop up. We got EUR/USD, a sell alert confirmation. But before trading or executing the trade, make sure that our MACD goes down. You can see that it squeezes out and back in, and a high probability for the trend to go down, with a period of 13, 25, and 11. Our trading return for this method comes with 80 to 90%. Based on our trading history, and some traders got only 70%. But is a good indicator for beginners out there. Good trend here going lower. And got our trading result. With consistent profits for almost an hour. We got trading alert confirmation. Euro to USD got sell alert confirmation. Let's trade for it going lower. As long as our MACD is going down, a high trading success rate will come up to you. You can add up some of your favorite oscillators to support the signal. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest trading methods trading with IQ option and other trading brokers. Boost your trading performance with our trading indicators. Good trading result. Another good trading spot to trade. GBP/USD, a sell alert confirmation. Our MACD here is going down, and the best position to trade going lower. Download the indicator now at ultimatefxtools.com. Amazing trading result.